Hello guys, welcome back to Danny YouTube. Okay. So, remember when I did the Bloody Mary challenge? Yeah, I'm gonna do the Baby Blue challenge. That way, Baby Blue's mother will be like, "Give back my baby." I already have a candle here. Let's play. So, 13, right? Yeah, 13 times with this. So, baby blue, blue baby. 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 Baby blue, blue baby.